Good evening. I'm Joaquim Alferez, and my topic is the importance of nonverbal communication. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that shapes how we interact with the world as nonverbal communication. What is nonverbal communication? Nonverbal communication includes all the ways we convey messages without words: body language, facial expression, tone or tone of voice, eye contact, gestures, and even silence. So, why is nonverbal communication important? Let's explore three key reasons. 1. It reinforces verbal communication. Think about a time when someone said, "I'm fine," but their tone or expression told you otherwise. Nonverbal either strengthen or contradict the spoken message. A smile while saying thank you shows sincerity, while a blank stare might suggest indifference. 2. It builds trust and connection. Nonverbal play a crucial role in relationship, personal, professional, or social. Maintaining eye contact shows confidence and honesty. A handshake, a nod, or even a slight smile can break down barriers and build rapport. 3. It helps in cross-cultural communication in our globalization world. Not everyone speaks the same language, but nonverbal are often understood universally. A warm smile is welcoming in almost any culture, while slouching or avoiding eye contact might be perceived as disrespectful. and and this is how to improve your nonverbal skills. And the good news, you can strengthen your nonverbal communication skills with practice. Here here are a few steps. Be mindful of your body language. Stand tall, keep your posture open, and avoid crossing your arms during conversation. Focus on facial expressions. Practice smiling, nodding, or raise your eyebrows to show engagement. Control your tone. Your voice can convey warmth, excitement, or empathy. Practice active listening. Use nonverbal like nodding or leaning forward to show interest. So, the next time you're in a conversation, remember, what you do speaks just as loudly as what you say. Thank you. That's all.